Hello again, and welcome back to Illegally Cited. This is Jesse, aka BGFH, and I am back for an accessible PC game. And I've been looking forward to trying this for a long time. We are looking at a game called Code 7, C-O-D-E, the number 7. It is currently available on Steam right now. And not sure about Good Old Games or another site like that might be a little more immediately accessible. But Code 7 is a game that I heard about, I don't even remember when, maybe a year or two ago. And it was this kind of like hacker game, like story hacker game. I don't remember like everything about it, but the premise sounded really interesting. But what really caught my attention was the fact that they were actually planning an accessible version. I don't know if they originally were when the project first started. As a matter of fact, I don't think it did. What had happened was somebody had emailed them. Hell, it might have been myself. I don't even remember. It might have been. I don't know. But I know I contacted the developer, and because I'm thinking, okay, this is a text-based, kind of like a hacking sort of a thing. Could I play this with a screen reader? Because if it would, I would really, really consider backing it. And they're like, well, yeah, we're actually working on doing that. They did have a playable, like, alpha or beta at some point, like earlier this year, or at some point. I wanted to cover that back then as kind of a teaser, but for whatever reason, the game would not run. Like, it would go to the title screen, and then when I tried to, like, not the screen reader version, but it's the accessible version. And when you did that, you go to new game, the game would just crash. So hopefully that doesn't happen here. I have not touched this at all because I want to go into this fresh. I have no idea how to play, not a clue. So this is going to be all new to me. It's going to be kind of an interesting thing to discover. So now that I have the final version running here, the first thing that it tells you after a little logo intro, Unity and whatever else intro, they say, to enable the screen or the blind friendly or whatever the heck term they use, you can press Control V. And I did that. We are now at the main menu. We got this interesting little title screen, and even if you're low vision, so far, like the main menu here, the Code 7 is really stylized font, but then the menu itself is nice and large, and you can kind of see, it kind of reminds you like a DOS or a Linux command line prompt. You have your bracketed letters, so like, and it told me in a synthesized speech, it told me, N for new, L for language. I didn't say that, but S for settings and Q for quit. Let's go into settings and let's see what's there.
Game settings. Graphics. Screen resolution. Display mode. Flickering. Sound. Master volume. Music volume. Voice volume. Show UI tips.
Okay.
Currently selected. Screen resolution set to 1920 x 1080.
Okay.
Open available options with return. Navigate settings with the up and down arrows and access.
Okay, so it actually read the whole thing, and now it's giving us the options, so I can arrow down.
Display mode set to full screen.
Okay.
Change with return. Flickering set to 50. Change with return. Input
okay,
text
so that's probably like
return.
some of the graphic-y effects for like the
master volume set to 100.
techie
Change
thing.
with return.
Okay.
Input text and return.
Okay, okay, so I can hit enter, type in a number, and then hit enter again, so it's at 100 right now.
Music volume set to 50. Change with return. Voice volume set to 100. Change with return.
Oh, I can't wait to
Input
play
text
this, so
and
please
return.
tell me the final version doesn't crash.
Show UI tips. Set to on.
Because for
Change
some
with
reason it just
return.
hated my
Screen
system for
resolution set.
some reason during the initial one.
Main menu.
Okay.
Press N to start a new game. Press
Alright,
S
we
to
are so
access
starting a new
settings.
game.
Episode 0. Allocation. Start now with S. Switch between episodes with the arrow keys.
Okay, we'll just start. Episode 0, yeah. Heck yeah, guys. This is going to be cool.
This is a nightmare. I have a plan to get us out of this mess, but you're not gonna like it. You have to trust me. I know it's hard, after everything that's happened. I won't give up. I can't let my kids down. I know they aren't really my kids, but it feels like they are.
I totally see what they mean by the flicker
I
effect.
love them so much.
Code 7. Alright. Okay, episode 0. Very cool. I don't even know how to, I don't even know what the gameplay is like in this. So we're all going to find out together.
Warning. Critical damage. Memory corrupted. System check required. Warning. Critical damage. Memory corrupted.
Type in system.check and confirm with return.
Okay. Do I just hit enter? I didn't quite understand that echoey voice. Okay. So I can type. Let me see what it says. Type in system.check. Okay.
Checking systems. Error code number 10024. Please restart systems.
Type in system.restart and confirm with return.
Okay, system.restart. Okay. I wonder if there's a, especially for blind users, if you don't get that, I wonder if there's a way to repeat that. I might actually have to go look on some documentation here. What did it, see, now I already forgot. System.what? System.restart. Okay.
Autocomplete with return key.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Key input module emergency activation. Press the R key. Press return to autocomplete.
Okay.
Restarting OS.
Maybe it'll tell me eventually
Welcome to
too.
LUPOS 1.6.
Restart successful. Please perform system check.
Available commands. System.
Okay, so
System.
I'm just going to do system.check.
Checking systems. All systems working. Restoring last known connection.
Where am I?
1. I wanted to ask you the same. 2. Hello? Who is this? 3. Are you alright?
Let's do 2.
Hello? Who is this?
It's Sam. Is that you, Alex?
I don't know.
Are you sending those messages? I can't hear your voice.
1. My audio input is malfunctioning. 2. Yeah, it's me. Can only write.
Let's do 1.
My audio input is malfunctioning.
Well, better than any vital systems, I guess. I remember falling. Oh, yeah, the ground. It crumbled under our feet and suddenly I was falling and then blackout. Are you okay?
1. Yes, but I can't remember anything. 2. I am fine. My memory, though. Not so okay.
Let's do 2. That sounds like a
I
good
am
one.
fine. My memory, though. Not so okay.
What do you mean? Don't tell me you suffer from classic movie hitting your head amnesia, please.
Yeah, pretty
1.
much.
Where are you? 2. Is your map working? 3. We need to find each other.
Do 1.
Where are you?
Pitch black room. Don't ask me where exactly. Half of my systems are offline. I can't track your position. What's your situation?
1. Honestly, I don't know. 2. Cold darkness. 3. I found this computer here. 4. Please help me. Something is here.
Let's do 3.
I found this computer here.
Wherever you are, you seem to have network access. These days, stations should have remote room controls. If you could try to switch on the light in my room, I'd be very grateful. Would make things a lot easier if I could see where I am.
New mission. Activate the light. Open console with return.
Okay.
Available commands. Database. Room control. System. Current mission. Activate the light.
Okay, so... Can I arrow, I wonder? Oh, let's just type in...
Room
room control.
Room control. Available commands. Access. Current mission. Activate the light.
Okay,
Access.
okay, so I start
Choose
typing
with return. Room
Sure.
settings. Security camera. Lights. Close app with escape. Lights, set to off. Change with return. Lights set to on. Lights activated.
Okay.
New mission. Find a way for Sam to escape the room.
Ah, my eyes!
Huh?
How about a heads up next time? But now I can see. Alright. Good. It's a room. Small room, to be precise. There are some desks, a bunch of boxes, and this door, which appears to be... yeah, it's locked. This doesn't make sense. How did I end up here?
1. What do you mean? 2. Maybe someone saved you. 3. We're not alone.
I'm probably going to say 1, but so this kind of seems like a mix between like your classic text adventure where you can parse different words and it's got an autocomplete, and then with some kind of graphics and, you know, rich media on top of it. So, yeah, let's keep going.
What do you mean?
This is fascinating.
Don't you think it's most unlikely that after crashing through the floor I just roll into a room with the door shutting behind me without leaving any trace of dirt or rubble?
Snippy,
I think
snippy.
it is. Anyways, I will try to open this door.
Oh.
Although I think you will have a better chance of finding the key code in the database.
Okay.
That is, unless you've also forgotten that you're a hacker.
Close app with escape.
Alright, first we're gonna...
Security camera. Set to on. Change with return.
Okay, we want to keep
Available
that on.
Options are off
'cause
and
then-
on.
Yep, alright, so...
Lights. Security camera.
So we'll hit
Available
escape.
commands. Database. Door. Room control.
Let's do
System.
database.
Available commands. Search.
Okay.
Current mission. Find a way for Sam to escape the room.
So we're going to try to find a code, presumably for that door.
Awaiting input. Enter ID.
Oh, hell if I know. Me? Oh wait, what did I... Was it Sam?
Name.
Additional information
Sam Dougal.
required. If no
Identity
notification
tag.
options are available,
Human.
a notification will ring at
Status.
the bottom of the
Alive.
buffer. To talk to subject, switch to communication mode by pressing space. New communication available.
Okay, I don't know if there's a command to repeat, so I want, before I hit spacebar to go to communication, I want to kind of read that a little bit again, because they were doing some overlapping on the talking. Okay, additional information requested. Okay, if new communication options are available, a notification will... Okay, we'll blink at the bottom of the... Okay. So...
Now you are in the investigation view. Press 1 to ask subject for the ID number.
Okay, hit 1 to access or ask for their ID number.
See if you can find the door's ID number.
It's 016.
Okay. So one thing I'm a little bit unclear on is I'm having to use my vision because I'm not exactly clear where I am. I see that there's a menu to the right of that little the little camera feed there. And so now I have to read that says, okay, I'm back at the prompt where I can choose database or room control, but it's not really telling me that. So there, unless, like I said, there may be, if there's like some special documentation on the web or in some README file somewhere for the accessibility mode, maybe they could do either maybe have a little bit more feedback, or when the game starts and you activate the accessibility mode with Control V, maybe they could kind of tell you where to find some of that information, like repeating the last prompt, or letting you know where you are. So I'm gonna say, oh, what it is, I already forgot the number. See, now I gotta look through my okay, now you are in, I'm just trying to look and see. I don't remember. Did it start with a 0?
Database. Available commands. Search.
Awaiting
input. Enter ID.
Was it 017?
017 not found or insufficient security level.
Okay, I can't talk again. Oh, I don't remember. I don't remember what her code is.
Available commands. Database.
So I hit escape.
Door. Room control. System. Current mission. Find a way for Sam to escape the room.
I'm trying to figure out if there's a way.
Database. Choose with return. Door.
Okay, I can tab
Choose with
through them. I
return.
don't arrow, I tab. Okay. Oh, okay, shift tab does not work. That brings up the Steam interface, that's right.
Room control. System. Database. Choose with return. Database. Available commands. Search. Awaiting input. Enter ID. Available commands.
So I can scroll. I can scroll up and down. Let's see. Name, blah, blah, blah. Okay, I'm gonna have to do some visual reading here. Let's see. Yeah, space for communication mode. Helper. Now you are in the... See, now I don't know how to make her repeat.
Available commands. Database. Available commands.
Huh.
Database. Door. Room. Available. Available commands.
I'm just trying.
Database.
I don't know how to exit to the menu because
control.
escape just basically
System.
reads me the
Current
screen.
mission. Find a way for Sam to escape the room.
Find a way to escape the room. I'm kind of stuck here. Unless there's some control things I'm not quite certain of.
Database. Door. Room control. System. Choose with return.
So
System. Available commands. Apps. Check. Apps. Check. Info. Interface. Settings. Shutdown. Choose with return.
okay, so system, that's probably like your actual pause menu.
Apps. Check. Info.
Let's do info.
Choose with return. LUPOS version 1.6. Last updated April 3rd, 2113. Admin Alexa Euro OEAA cent a error a%. Available commands. Database. Database. Door. Room control. System.
Let's go to system again.
System. Available commands. Apps.
Apps.
Check. Choose with return.
Let's
All
check.
systems working. Available commands. Database.search. Door. Database.
Dang it, I keep forgetting I can't shift tab because it brings up the Steam interface.
Door. Room control. Choose.
I kind of wish you could up and down arrow instead, because that way you could move in both directions. You know, whereas, you know, especially if you're a screen reader user and you're you are familiar with navigating, you know, like a form field or something with tab and shift tab, like you instinctively, if you want to go back, you want to go to shift tab.
System. Choose with return. System. Apps. Check. Info. Interface. Settings. Shutdown.
Let's
Check.
go to
Info. Interface.
interface.
Available commands. BG color. Map. Sound.
Oh,
TXT size. Current mission.
okay.
Find a way for Sam to escape the room.
So I can change the background color, and I can change the font size. That's cool.
BG color. Map. Sound. TXT size.
Let's look at this once just to
TXT
see.
size. Available commands. Change. Current mission. Find a change.
Let's change.
Not supported. Interface. Available commands.
Not supported.
BG color. Interface. BG color. BG color. Available commands. Set blue. Set green. Set purple. Set allow. Set blue. Background changed to blue.
Yeah, so that's kind of what
BG
we were on
color.
before, and I like blue, so.
Available commands. Interface.
Okay.
Available commands. BG color. BG color. Map. Sound. TXT size. Choose with return.
TXT size.
BG color. Choose with
BG
return.
color.
Map. Choose with return.
I'm gonna hit escape.
Sound. TXT. BG color.
See, now I can't back out either.
Map. Sound. TXT size. BG color.
Let's see.
Choose-
What if I can just type? Like if I were to type like
BG color. Available commands. Set blue.
set blue.
Background changed to blue. Interface. System.
Okay.
Available commands. Available commands. Database. Door.
I'm gonna go to system
Database. Door.
because
Choose
I
with
don't know
return.
what that stupid code is.
Room control. System.
We're gonna start
System.
over
Apps.
if I can.
Check.
Well, damn it. Let's see what
Info.
apps does.
Settings.
This will be our
Shutdown.
learning.
Choose with return. Apps. Apps. Available commands. Calculator.
Huh.
Notes. Current mission. Find a way for
Okay,
Sam.
let's see.
Calculator. Notes.
Let's go to notes.
Close app with escape.
Okay, so this is just I can type in notes here. Okay, so that would be useful, but I don't know if I can arrow through them. Let's just,
Apps. Available commands. Notes. Calculator. Notes.
See, now I can't get out of it again.
Return. Calculator. Choose with return.
Quit.
Close app with escape. Awaiting input. Close app with escape.
Quit.
Apps. Available. Apps. System. Available
Okay.
commands. Database.
Yeah, there's definitely
Door.
some disconnect
Room
that
control.
I'm getting. Like,
System.
I'm not
Current
sure.
mission. Database. Door. Room control. System. System. Apps. Info. Choose with return. Interface. Settings. Game settings. Graphics.
Oh, that's not what I
Available
want.
database. Door. Room control. System.
System.
System. Check. Info.
Now, hopefully,
Interface. Settings. Shut down.
shut down.
Awaiting input. Really shut down? Y/N.
Why?
Main menu.
Okay.
Press C to continue. Press N to start a new game.
Let's do a new game
Choose a
because
save slot to overwrite. 1.
one.
Really overwrite?
Yes.
Episode 0. Allocation.
Okay,
Start now.
that's what we want. Start. Okay. So we're going to do a little bit of repeat here, but like I said, this is actually...
This is a nightmare.
We're just going to have to pay attention
I
a
have
lot
plan
more,
to get us
it
out of this
appears.
mess, but you're not gonna like it. You have to trust me. I know it's hard after everything that's happened. I won't give up. I can't let my kids down. I know they aren't really my kids, but it feels like they are.
Okay, I have no
I
clue.
love them so much.
I wonder if that's supposed to be me, the hacker? I have no clue. I know there's definitely seems to be this kind of intrigue. Okay.
Warning. Critical damage. Memory corrupted. System check required. Warning. Critical damage. Memory corrupted.
Type in system.check and confirm with return.
Checking systems.
Okay.
Error code number 10024. Please restart systems.
Type in system.restart and confirm with return.
Oh, did I not type that right?
Autocomplete with return key. Autocomplete. Restarting OS.
There we go. I think I must have typed too fast and I might have missed
Welcome to LUPOS 1.6.
lupus.
Successful. Please perform system check.
Available commands. Checking systems.
Okay.
All systems working. Restoring last known connection.
Where am I?
1. I wanted to ask you the same. 2. Hello? Who is this?
Let's do
I
one
wanted
this
to
time.
ask you the same.
Who is this? Is that you, Alex? Are you sending those messages? I can't hear your voice.
1. My audio input is malfunctioning. 2. Yeah, it's me. Can only write.
Okay, so I'm Alex. If I remember right, she is Sam. So, like I said, this is going to be something where you almost have to have a notepad nearby or use that kind of notes feature.
Yeah, it's me. Can only write.
Well, then we'll have to make do with good old
Alex
text.
and Sam.
I remember falling. Oh, yeah, the ground. It crumbled under our feet, and suddenly I was falling, and then blackout. Are you okay?
1. Yes, but I can't remember anything. 2. I am fine. My memory, though.
Yeah,
I
let's
am
do
fine.
2 again.
My memory, though. Not so okay.
What do you mean? Don't tell me you suffer from classic movie hitting your head amnesia, please.
1. Where are you? 2. Is your map working? 3. We need to find each other.
Let's say 3.
We need to find each other.
Yeah, no kidding. But I can't track your position. What's your situation?
1. Honestly, I don't know.
Foobar.
2. Cold darkness. 3. I found this computer here. 4. Please help me, something is here.
Let's do 1.
Honestly, I don't know.
Wherever you are, you seem to have network access. These days,
So she
stations
wasn't
should have
snippy
remote
with
room
me this
controls.
time.
If you could try to switch on the light in my room, I'd be very grateful. Would make things a lot easier if I could see where I am.
New mission. Activate the light.
Okay,
Open console with return.
so we're going to open console.
Available commands. Database. Room control. System.
So,
Current mission. Activate the light.
alright, so enter goes to the console if I don't type in anything. I'm just trying to like figure out maybe there's like some interface things I wasn't picking up on last time. So I'm going to type in room. Okay, yeah,
Room
let's do room control.
Available commands. Access. Room settings. Security camera. Lights set to off.
Turn
Lights
them
set
on.
to on. Lights activated. New mission. Find a way for Sam to escape the room.
Sam, yep.
Ah, my eyes! How about a heads up next time? But now I can see. Alright. Good. It's a room. Small room, to be precise. There are some desks, a bunch of boxes, and this door, which appears to be... yeah, it's locked. This doesn't make sense. How did I end up here?
1. What do you mean? 2. Maybe someone saved you. 3. We're not alone.
Well, let's do 3.
We're not alone.
I hope so. I haven't given up on the crew just yet. But still, everything is getting really creepy. Anyways, I will try to open this door. Although I think you will have a better chance of finding the key code in the database. That is, unless you've also forgotten that you're a hacker.
Close app with escape.
Okay.
Available commands. Database. Door. Room control. System. Current mission.
Okay,
Find
so
a
we're
way
going to
for
go
Sam to escape the room.
data base.
Database. Available commands. Search.
Search.
Awaiting input. Enter ID.
Additional information required. If no communication options are available, a notification will bring at the bottom of the portrait. To talk to subject, switch to communication mode by pressing space. New communication available.
Okay. Remember this code.
Now you are in the investigation view. Press 1 to ask subject for the ID number.
See if you can find the door's ID number.
It's 016.
016. Okay.
Database. Awaiting input.
016.
Door 016 room H001. Last used, December 20th, 2113. Last user, anonymous. Override code, SQPYQ.
Oh dear God. Okay. See, now this is where I really wish I had a way to like arrow up and down by line or by character. Because again, I can cheat and look at this with my vision, but if it just rattles it off, and you know, we've got these kind of, you know, seemingly random digits here. SQPYQ. SQPYQ. Okay. So SQPYQ.
Database. Door. Room control. Database. Door. Door. Available commands. Override. Unlock. Current mission. Override.
Override.
Collected passwords. SQPYQ. Awaiting input.
Aha!
Door override code.
S.
SQPYQ.
Yeah, that one.
SQPYQ. Door 016 override complete.
Okay.
Database. Door.
Door.
Door. Override. Unlock.
Thanks. I'm heading out. Gloomy corridor ahead. I can see the collapse from here. Wow. It's unbelievable we both survived this.
1. Can you get past it? 2. Find another way.
Let's see if there's another way.
Find another way.
Yeah, I second that, but I really don't want to head deeper into the station without knowing where I'm going. You don't happen to have a map somewhere on your fancy little computer, do you?
New mission. Find the map in your system. Optional dialogue. 1. My mind's blurry. Can I ask you some things? Open console with return.
So let's do 1. Let's talk to her a little bit.
My mind's blurry. Can I ask you some things?
You weren't joking. You really can't remember. Sure, ask me whatever you want.
Optional dialogue. 1. Where are we exactly? 2. What was our mission? 3. Do we know each other from before? Open console with return.
2 seems to be the way to go.
What was our mission?
That's funny, since you're the one who recruited and briefed me.
Ah,
This station was supposed to prepare the interstellar settling program, but stopped reporting some months ago. We were sent to investigate and bring some spare parts, in case their satellites were broken.
Optional dialogue. 1. Where are we exactly? 2. Do we know each other from before?
let's do 1.
Where are we exactly?
Schrodinger Station. Ring any bells?
Nope.
Anything? No? Okay. It's the first station beyond our home galaxy. Planet Gershwin 610b. See? I've done my homework. People wanted to build pretty little houses here and plant some flowers and, you know, live.
Optional dialogue. 1. Do we know each other from before? Open console.
May as
return.
well.
Do we know each other from before?
Ouch. Really? Not even me? The answer is yes. We've known each other for, what, 3 years now? We ran a couple of missions together. Hey, wait. So you can't remember how much money I owe you? Sweet.
Optional
Duh.
dialogue. 1. How much money do you owe me? Open console.
You gotta
return.
ask.
How much money do you owe me?
My lips are sealed.
Open console with return.
Okay. So we gotta find
Available
our map.
commands. Database.
And I remember
System.
that was under
Current mission.
system.
Find the map in your system. 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 Available commands. Apps. Check.
Oh, it's probably under apps.
Apps. Available. Calculator. Notes.
Oh, nope.
Choose with return. Calculator. Notes.
See, now I can't back out.
G. Apps. System.
I have to go into the notes
Available
thing and then hit
commands.
escape, and then it'll let me
Apps.
back out.
Check.
Uh,
Apps. Check. Info. Interface. Settings. Shutdown. Apps. Check. Choose with return.
let's check.
All systems working. Available commands. Database.search. Database. System. System. Apps. Check. Info.
Was that right?
LUPOS version 1.6. Last updated April 3rd, 2113.
I know I saw a maps
Admin
option, I
Alexa
just don't
Euro
remember where I
EA
saw it
sent
now.
A error %. Available commands. Database. Database. System. System. Apps. Check. Choose with
Apps,
return.
check.
Info. Choose with return.
Info.
Interface. Choose with return.
I'm pretty sure that, well, maybe.
Interface. Available commands. BG
Yeah,
color.
BG color.
BG color. Map.
There's a map.
Map. Available commands. Enable.
Alright.
Current mission. Find the map. Enable. 1. Map is enabled. 2. I have an overview of the station. 3. Say hello to your personal navigator.
Huh?
Say hello to your personal navigator.
Great! Any idea where I should go next?
Navigation module enabled. Switch to communication mode by pressing space.
Available commands. Database. System. New communication options available. Open communication mode by pressing space.
Okay.
Now press M to activate navigation mode.
Okay, N for navigation. Oh, M.
New mission. Find a way for Sam to reach your position. Awaiting input. Move to. Available places, L021, R032, H029, R030.
Oh God. Okay, hopefully I can tab through this because you really have to, like, it's not just like left, right, or up or down, or, you know, north, south, east, west. It's like L and R and then these numbers, which, you know, they just kind of fly out of your head.
H029. L021.
I don't know. Sure, why not?
L021.
And our prize is some kind of science lab. This room has a desk, a computer, some tech stations, and lots of folders. I hate scientists.
Inspect with I. Move to with M. Optional dialogue. 1. Any assumptions as to what happened? 2. What is our, you know, job? Open console with return.
Let's do 1.
Any assumptions as to what happened?
We're on a different planet. We don't know what can't happen here. An accident, an unexpected mass murder of scientists, a viral infection. Well, yeah, great that I've broken my hazmat helmet. Real great.
Inspect
Oh.
with I. Move to with M.
Alright,
Optional
so
dialogue.
I...
1. Inspect the 1. Computer. 2. Desk. 3. Tech station. 4. Folders. Go back to
4.
Inspect the folders.
No, I will not look through those fucking files. If you are that interested in the texture of alien poop, I will buy you a science... Oh, wow, what a weird planet. Wait. No, I will not read it.
Inspect the 1.
Okay.
Computer. 2.
Yeah, go to the
Inspect
computer.
computer.
A basic computer. There is a sticker spelling COMPT. Must be its network name. It's running, but... Hey! Come on, show me something. Yeah, the monitor is broken, but maybe you can access it.
Inspect the 1. Computer. 2.
Okay.
Desk. 3. Tech station. 4. Folders. Go back to communication mode with backspace. Open console with return.
COMPTE. So, you know, she said comped, but I actually had to look at that to, you know, visually again to read it. So, you know, this is going to be a low vision spotlight or an accessible game spotlight video. Excuse me. But this is, like I said, this is going in totally fresh, totally blind, for lack of a better word. And I'm very intrigued both with the presentation, the style of it, and the way they've implemented the accessibility. And like I said, there may be some other, like, commands that I don't know about. So I may revisit it, especially one thing I did hear from one of the Kickstarter updates a few days ago as I'm recording this is that everything is pretty much accessible. except there's a portion of this, there's some sort of like, I don't know, arcadey or timed like hacking mini game. Maybe you're trying to like, you know, either break into something or evade detection or something. That portion is not currently enabled for the accessible mode like the main game would be. They said that they are going to work on patching that in later and making sure that like 100% of this is accessible to blind and visually impaired users, but you know, it's not right now. So I might come back and, you know, check out this game. You know, this could be potential for a Let's Play down the line as well. So let's see, how would I get into, I'm thinking if I go into the COMPUT, or what is it, COMPUTE? COMTE. COMTE. So I'm going to hit enter.
Available commands. Cont. Database. System.
Aha, so
Open
compt.
communication. Cont.
Okay,
Choose
so now that's
return.
been added.
Cont. Available commands. Login. Open communication
Okay,
mode
so
by
we don't-
pressing space. Available.
Log in.
Available commands. Cont. Database. Cont. Awaiting input. User. Sam not found.
Okay, so I'm going to hit spacebar.
Inspect with I. Move to with M. Optional dialog.
Okay, so
1. What is R? You know. Job? Open console with return.
I'm going to say I.
Inspect the 1. Computer. 2. Desk. 3.
I'm going to I did that wrong. See, I'm used to being able to backspace, and I think I wasn't supposed to.
Cont. Choose with return.
No, I'm going to hit
Inspect with I.
space.
Move to with M.
Inspect.
Inspect the 1.
I think
Computer.
2 was the...
2.
Yeah.
Inspect the desk.
See if there's any information about a login.
Reports. They were working on an artificial intelligence called SOLI, System for Organic Life Integration.
SOLI.
The planet is being terraformed to make it habitable. And what do we have here? A sheet with login names of some
Aha,
people.
that's what I was...
Scanning them. Who would have thought my optical character reader would ever be useful?
Inspect the 1. Computer. 2. Desk. 3. Text station. 4. Folders.
Let's do the
Go
text
back
station
to
and we'll be
communication
thorough
mode
here.
with backspace. Open console with return.
Oh, communication mode with backspace. See, that wasn't told to me before, I don't think. So let's do 3.
Inspect the text station.
It's a big data hub. Maybe calculations will run here.
Inspect the 1.
So let's go to the back.
Inspect with I. Move to with M. Optional dialog. 1. What is R? You know. Job? Open console with return.
So I don't know if there's a way to, like, you know, I can just ask 1, 2, 3, you know, but I can't ask for, or can I type in, you know, like if I wanted to ask her, like, what I want to do is I want to find out, she said there was that login information at the desk. But how do I, in this interface, do I have to be in communication mode? I mean, I guess maybe if I go to the...
Available commands. Cont.
Let's go there.
Login.
Log in.
Selected usernames. L. Chung.
Ah.
J. Campbell.
Okay,
Awaiting
so
input.
she OCR'd the text and just forwarded me the information. Okay.
L. Chung. D. Lutz. J. Campbell.
Let's do J.
Choose with
Campbell.
Return. Collected passwords. SQPYQ. Change me. Awaiting input.
Okay, we'll do
SQ. Change me.
change me.
Change me equals wrong code.
Okay. We're going to wrap up the video here pretty soon, but we're going to see if we can try to log in as somebody here.
Count.
So we're going to go
Count.
here.
Log in.
Log in.
Selected L Chung.
L Chung.
Selected S. Change me.
Change me.
Change me equals wrong code.
Okay, so we'll try the middle one then.
Count. Count. Log in. Collected L Chung. D Lutz. Collected S. Change me. Login complete.
Aha! Okay, now I'm in as this, whatever the second person's name was.
Count. Choose with return. Count. Available commands. Apps. Files. Hardware. Logout. Apps. Files.
Let's go under Files.
Files. Log 1. Playing.
O'Connell finally developed a filter for the local water. We can drink it now, and surprise, it tastes like water.
Files. Log 1. Log 2.
Alright, let's listen to all these log
Choose with
files really
return.
quick. There's like 4 or 5 of them, it looks like.
Playing.
I think I've memorized everyone's names by now. We're a small team, but I still sometimes forget. Let's see, there's Campbell, Patu, Lutz, O'Connell, Chung, Hakim, Prime, damn it.
Files. Log 1. Log 2. Log 3. Playing.
For some reason, the pressuring unit in the hallway to the elevator keeps freezing. It's really annoying because the door keeps shutting. Someone needs to fix this ASAP.
Files.
Okay.
Available commands.
Actually, let me listen to that
Log
one more
1.
time.
Log 2. Log 3.
Because the what was broken?
Choose playing.
For some reason, the pressuring unit in the hallway
The
to the
pressure
elevator
unit.
keeps freezing.
Okay.
It's really annoying because the door keeps shutting. Someone needs to fix this ASAP.
And
Files.
she's going to have to do that in order to get
Available
around this
commands.
base eventually,
Log
I'm
1.
sure.
Log 2. Log 3. Log 4. Playing.
It's alive! Sorry, I couldn't resist. The artificial intelligence is now active and will gather data. This will probably take around 8 or 9 days until it can start calculating. My first naming suggestion, Jim, has been rejected.
Files.
Okay.
Available. Log 1. Log 2. Log 3. Log 4. Log 1.
Okay, there's only
with
4. So if I hit escape... Okay, let me hit backspace. Okay, that doesn't work.
Inspect with I.
Okay.
Move to with M. Optional dialogue. 1. What is R? You know. Job.
Oh, let's just do it since
What is R?
we'll get rid of
You
it
know.
here.
Job.
We're both agents of the reconnaissance department of the IASA. Recons are usually sent to check out stuff and gather information. On this mission, I'm the pilot and you're everything else.
Inspect with I.
Great.
Move to with M. Open console with return.
Okay, so I feel like I'm starting to grasp the interface a little bit better and possibly, you know, kind of understand, like, let's say she gave me that COMTE or that password. Like I said, if I wasn't able to remember it, when I get to the and when I get to a place where there are new commands, or when I get to a place where there's some login information, it looks like, so, you know, I have to kind of keep track of the different passwords. So it's, even when I was logging into this other computer, it still gave me that original code to unlock the door. So it's a matter of keeping track. So, you know, I could go into notes and I could say, okay, you know, the CompT password is whatever it was. Like I said, my memory is just, for some reason, just stupid tonight. But yeah, you know, I feel like I'm maybe starting to grasp the interface a little bit, and some of the things that I was talking about earlier, possibly, you know, the things that I would need to be either repeated to me, or the things that I would want spelled out, kind of get maybe added to your log or your kind of, your history, so it's maybe not as crucial. That being said, I still would like some way to be able to like get to the different areas of the screen and review it, because maybe everything that she says, or everything that happens or everything that she says to me gets put into this text log in the upper left of the screen. So sometimes I think it might be handy to be able to go back and review that, and maybe there's a way, I just haven't figured it out yet. But now I know there's enter for the basically your command, I forget what they call it, your kind of control stuff. Space is to get to your dialogue. Backspace kind of gets you out of some things, and you can tab through your choices or type in. So sometimes it's nice, like if you know exactly what to type, I can type it. But if you don't know how to spell something, you can actually tab to a choice. So that it's good that you have those options. And I do remember also reading in the post, the Kickstarter update, that they were not, we often think about, at least on especially on this channel, blind and low vision accessibility, but they're talking other accessibility as well. Somebody who had motor impairments, or somebody who couldn't type really well. The fact that they could play it by hitting one key at a time, or being able to tab through the choices, or hit 1, 2, 3, made it a lot more playable to them, so they didn't have to manually type everything. So I mean, kudos to the developer of this. I'm, like I said, I'm really glad the final version is working. For some reason, the prototype or the early version hated my computer. But thankfully, I am able to play it now, and I am very intrigued to see how long this game is, what the story's like, what kind of other crazy systems and mechanisms and gameplay things I'm going to have to keep track of. I can see this being a game where taking some notes might not be all that bad of an idea, because it's probably possible that you're going to forget some things. So I was logged in. I want to check the one thing as that logged in. I can't do anything? Oh, I was going to oh wait, no. I don't want to inspect.
Available commands. Count.
Let's go back in here.
Available
Oh yeah, because I'm logged in still.
Apps. Files. Hardware.
Did I look?
With return.
Oh yeah, the files were the voice files. Okay.
Log out. Network. Choose with return.
Oh, network.
Apps. Available commands. Mail. Open
Okay.
communication mode by pressing space.
Let's do mail.
Mail. Subject. Welcome. From. Do not reply at loca.lnet.331.spc. To. dlutz at loca.lnet.331.spc. Sent. January 28, 2113. Welcome to Schrödinger Space Station. Your account has been set up and is ready to use. Please make sure to change the password immediately. This is an automatically generated message. Sincerely yours. 3's administration. Navigate mails with the up and down arrows.
Okay,
Close
so there
tab
are
with
multiple
escape.
emails here.
Subject. Does IT work? From. Bookhakem at loca.lnet.331.spc. To. dlutz at loca.lnet.331.spc.
So what I'm wondering is, now that I've heard some of these email addresses,
Sent. January 28, 2113.
will they be in my list?
Hey DOM. Just wanted to check the intranet. Did my mail reach you? Hello test. Nobody is gonna write mails anyways. CYA Waleed. Navigate mail. Subject. What's his name? From. Bookhakem at loca.lnet.331.spc. To. dlutz at loca.lnet.331.spc. Sent. February 2nd, 2113. That biology dude? Have no idea. Why? Ask me in person, man. I am literally next door.
Nah.
W. Navigate
Yeah,
mouse
but that's
with
too
the
much
up and
work. I
down
gotta sit at
arrows.
my terminal here.
Subject, can you help me with something? From J. Campbell at
Okay, there's J. Campbell.
locaLnet.331.spc. To D. Lutz at locaLnet.331.spc. Sent, March 10, 2113. Hi Dominic. You sure you want to get into hacking? You still haven't changed the default password, you know? Well, I've attached the little program I wrote. You need to install IT on your computer. IT will allow you to bypass database entry access.
Ooh.
Nobody gives a damn about security here anyway. If you have any questions, ask me. Jen. DB tool.
Oh.
Open attachment with return. Navigate
All
mails
right.
with the up and down arrows. Really download DB tool? Y/N.
Hell yeah. We're gonna crack this sucker wide open.
Down database entries hackable.
New software installed. Bypass for restricted database items are available.
1. I've found a bypass program. 2. Alex 2.0 can hack now.
Okay. I like the witty answer, but I like because the hacking it doesn't really tell what. So let's even though I want to do two, let's do
I've
one.
found a bypass program.
Excellent. Tell me when you're done with this room and I'll check out the rest.
Inspect with I. Move to with M. Open console with return.
I'm trying to remember if there was one other.
Cont.
Apps.
Mail.
Mail.
Subject. Subject.
Yep, there was one more.
Can you help me with something? From J. Campbell at locaLnet.331.spc. To D. Lutz at locaLnet.331.spc. Sent, March 11, 2113. Seriously, this is the last time I explain something. If you can't figure IT out from here, let IT be. Jeez. You can't just hack everything with this software. You can crack database entries, get a code for something, for example. It's called a man-in-the-middle attack. There are systems sending login attempts through the network all the time. What you do is to find the source of that login attempt and place the MIM attack in the middle. IT will then pretend to be the login process itself and voila, you get your username and password. The login message will still be forwarded and nobody knows something is wrong and the database entry is yours. Navigate mails with the up and down arrows.
Okay, so that's kind of an explanation of that thing we just installed on our rig.
Subject.
Alright,
Welcome.
And so, let's see, can I go with...
Prompt.
Okay, I
Available
hit escape to
commands.
back out.
Apps.
I
Files.
want to wrap up the video, but like I
Log
said,
out.
I'm just kind of enthralled,
Network.
and I'm like, okay, well, I'll
Open
end it here. I'm like,
communication
no,
mode
but then
by
I gotta
pressing
find out
space.
this. So let's finish
Current mission.
seeing what is
Find
in
a
this
way for Sam to-
computer.
Apps. Files.
Files, we
Choose
did
with
that.
return. Hardware. Choose with return.
Sure. What's...
Hardware. Search. Choose
Oh,
with return.
all I can do is search? I don't want to
No
swell.
peripheral devices found.
Oh, okay.
Count.
So
Available
presumably
commands.
maybe we can connect a
Apps.
peripheral to it later. I don't know.
Files.
We find somewhere else.
Apps. Files. Hardware. Logout. Network. Choose with return.
Yeah, let's do network. What does this do?
Network. Available commands. Search. Open communication.
Sure.
Search. No connections found.
Okay, so
Count.
it's a computer that's not on the
Available
network,
commands.
apparently.
Apps.
So...
Available commands. Count. Database. System. Count. Database.
Let's just do one more
Choose
thing.
Database. Search. Awaiting input. Enter ID.
Let's do... So we did 016 before. What if I did 015?
015 not found or insufficient security level.
Okay. So there's definitely going to be, finding other people, because there's at least, like 6 or so people that they mentioned, especially that one log file mentioned. This is definitely a game where I'm probably going to have to start over, and once I start playing this, it seems that I'm either going to have to A, take really good notes, or B, I'm going to have to play this. If I want to beat this game, I'm going to have to play it in a pretty good stretch, like in one good stretch of time, like play it over a long weekend or something. Because, I'm recording this, I have work next week, or this coming week, a little bit of vacation time, maybe ducking out for a few days. I'm not going to remember, like if I remember correctly now, I'm in this location, what was it, L021 or something. And I'm going to have to make, I'll have to make notes, literally, of okay, L021 has a computer, that's where I got the database cracker. I can maybe hook up some peripherals to this computer, there's some voice logs, or just really remember exactly where every little thing is, because it sounds like we're probably going to have to be bouncing back and forth between different physical locations as she's going to different places and learning things. And also, I'm going to be accessing different virtual locations, both getting more information about the story in general and to help out my partner there, Sam. So, yeah, this is Code 7. I'm feeling a bit more comfortable with it, about it being accessible to blind users. Like I said, I was really worried there for a minute. I'm like, am I going to have to try to remember this password that it rattled off and know how something is spelled, especially, like I said, when you're logging into things, you have to have the syntax exactly right and the file names or the computer names or whatever spelled correctly. And it seems once you have it accessed, there's a little bit of forgiveness as far as keeping things in, like autocomplete or in this tab list. So really interesting game, mixing kind of your old text-based adventure with hacking, kind of a tech sort of a twist to it. And then you have your, kind of like your live voice acting and audio logs and all that kind of a thing like you would find in any other modern game. So really, I'm really interested in seeing what this game has to offer, and I just don't think that I have a lot of time to dedicate to it at this moment, but it is definitely one I'm going to be returning to. This is an accessible game with some depth, with some production values, both of which I think are really, really needed in the accessible game market. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. It is Code 7. It is available on Steam right now. And remember, one of the first things it tells you when you log in or when you start the game, Control plus V, as in Victor, will start accessibility mode. And there you go. So V for voice, I would assume. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Follow me on Twitter at BGFH79. And until next time, I will talk to you guys again later.